Hey everyone, are you an Airbnb host or a real estate professional in Sanibel Island? This video is for you. Today, I am sharing proven tips to get more bookings and maximize your rental income. Use high-quality, bright photos, show sunset views, beachfront features, or unique property details. Write a catchy, keyword-rich title like Beachfront Sanibel Island Retreat Steps from the Water. Include popular amenities, Wi-Fi, private deck, beach gear, and kitchen essentials. Listings with clear photos and descriptions get 10x more bookings. Adjust nightly rates for weekends, holidays, and peak seasons. Use Airbnb as smart pricing or check other Sanibel Island rentals. Keep your calendar up to date to avoid last-minute cancellations. Highlight investment opportunities in Sanibel Island for Airbnb rentals. Focus on properties near beaches, restaurants, and attractions. Explain ROI potential for short-term rental owners. Many visitors book within 1 到2万each-hour able, so location and property appeal are key. Respond quickly to inquiries. Provide a personal welcome guide with local tips and recommendations. Encourage guests to leave 5-star reviews. High ratings lead to more bookings. Share your property on Instagram, TikTok, and local travel groups. Create short videos highlighting sunsets, wildlife, and beachfront property. Partner with local real estate agents to attract seasonal or long-term bookings. And that's it. These are 5 actionable ways to get more Airbnb bookings and make the most of Sanibel Island real estate. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below if you want a full property tour next.